Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do a quick hands-on review of the Honor MagicPad 4. This is the latest tablet from Honor, and now it comes with the OLED display. Finally, they put the OLED display. Previously they removed the OLED display from the Honor MagicPad 3, and now it is finally back, and I'm happy that they put the OLED display in this one. So we get a 12.3 inches display. It's a little bit small compared to the Honor MagicPad 3, but we get 165 Hz refresh rate and 2400 peaks of brightness, which is really nice. And if we talk about specification, guys, it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 on which is on 3 nanometer with the GPU of Adreno 829, and this version has 256 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. And as you can see, it's very thin. It's the thinnest tablet actually currently available. You get a keyboard case with it, which is also very nice, and you get a Magic Pen, which is also good. So the price is a little bit expensive here, as you can see, 3,599 Saudi Riyals. And if we talk about battery life, it has 10,100 milliamps of silicon carbon battery, which is really nice. It comes with the gray and white color with aluminum body, which is also really nice, and it feels very premium. If we talk about the camera, the main camera on the back, it has 13 megapixel of camera, and on the front we have 9 megapixel selfie camera. I really like the bezel size. It's very thin. It's quite thin actually here, as you can see. So yeah, overall the build quality is amazing, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with me. And I really like this keyboard case that it comes free if you purchase this right now. And the body looks amazing, and the display is stunning in my opinion, guys, because of the OLED display. It is really nice. So unfortunately we don't get a micro SD card slot, and there is no 5G option or SIM option, I believe. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, please click on that like button, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.